At Sauleda, we've been creating innovative fabrics for over 125 years with a clear goal to protect people. That's why we manufacture high-quality technical fabrics specially designed to protect from the sun, both for outdoor and indoor use. In our 9 production centers in Spain, Barcelona, we take care of the entire manufacturing process, from the fiber to the final fabric, ensuring that our products meet the highest quality standards. Thanks to this, we're leaders in our sector, exporting fabrics to more than 100 countries around the world. We offer 5 product lines for all types of projects, more than 2,000 different fabrics that adapt to the needs of a constantly changing world. All of this is possible thanks to a team of more than 530 people who bring their experience and talent to our products every day, allowing us to manufacture and distribute more than 12 million meters of fabric each year. Our values as a company revolve around the constant pursuit of quality and innovation, a real commitment to sustainability, and a focus always placed on people. More than 6,000 satisfied customers around the world back our work and push us to keep improving every day. That's why our wish is for the future to bring us lots of light, so that together we can keep creating many shades.